Hey, I'm Kir. I work on the managed service for Apache Kafka at Google. Want to see how it works? Let's go. The plan is this. We'll create a new cluster, take a tour of the cluster management UI, and then resize the cluster, all in a few minutes. We'll start in the Google Cloud console. I will search for Kafka to find the service. Here it is. If you've previously created clusters like I did, you will see them here. Now let's make one more. First, the big decisions. We need a name and a location. Let's call it 2 and put it in US Central 1. I will give it the minimum number of CPUs, which is 3, and I will give each CPU just 1 GB of memory. It's a small cluster, but we find that it can be enough for many use cases. As a rule of thumb, it's enough for 1,000 messages a second or 10 megabytes a second of data going through. The cluster can be exposed in any VPC network, or several if you wish. Let's expose this in the default network for now, just to get going. I will also use the default subnet to tell the service which IP address range to use for the brokers. We can see that this new cluster is spinning up. In the meantime, let's take a look at a cluster I created earlier. The Resources tab is where you will spend most of your time with this cluster, managing topics and consumer groups. The Configuration tab shows the choices you've made when you set the cluster up. This is also where you will find the cluster's bootstrap URL. You will need this to configure your applications to talk to the cluster. You can copy and paste it into your client configuration. Now let's take a look at monitoring. Here you will find metrics for your CPU usage. You can see the totals for the cluster and a breakdown by broker. You can see the same for RAM. This is also where you can see request rates and bandwidth. Now, I can see that for this cluster, the RAM utilization is a little high. So let's change that. Let's give this cluster more memory. Once I press save, the rest is automatic. There's a lot more to try here. Take a look at our documentation linked in the video description. The overview page will walk you through what the service can do for you. There are also quick starts for building applications as well as deeper guides. So, as promised, we've created and resized a cluster in just a few minutes. With that, happy coding!